Subscribe to TechMeSpot channel and press the bell icon and never miss another update. Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to delete your Tinder account permanently. Okay, so you need to open your Tinder app. So here I have my Tinder app. Let me tap to open it. Okay, it's now opened and I already signed in. If you haven't, then you need to sign in. Okay, and after that you need to go to your profile by tapping over here. Okay, so let me tap on that, and after that you need to tap on this settings, and on this screen you need to scroll down at the very bottom, and here we have this delete account. Okay, this button over here, you just need to tap on that, delete account, and here we get this option also, pause my account. If you would like to keep your account but not be shown to others, you can pause your account instead. You can turn this off in settings. Okay guys, so here you get this option also, like to pause your account. You can tap on this pause my account and it will be paused. Okay, but in this tutorial we will delete the account. Okay, so you just need to tap on this delete my account, this link over here at the very bottom of this screen. Okay, so let me tap on that, and on this screen we get this message, are you sure you want to delete your account? Please let us know the reason you are leaving. Okay, so here are some reasons you can choose. Something is broken, I don't like Tinder, I need a break from, I want a fresh start, I met someone. Or you get also this option other. If I tap on that, you can type any reason over here. Okay, let me type something over here. I will be back. Okay, and you can see we get this button over here, submit feedback and delete. Okay, so if I tap on that, you can see here we have this this pop-up, this is screen, thanks for the feedback, are you sure you want to delete your account? Okay, if you delete your account, you will lose your profile, messages, photos and matches permanently. This cannot be undone. If you would rather keep your account but not be shown to others, you can hide your account instead. You can turn this off in settings. Are you sure you want to delete your account? Okay guys, so make sure you read all these messages, and when you agree, just tap on this delete my account. Okay, this link over here. Okay, so let me do that, and you can see it's now deleting and it's done. Okay, so you can see we get this message, account deleted. Okay, your Tinder account and all of its information were successfully deleted. Okay, so just tap on this, got it, and it's done. Okay, so that's it guys, thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks, bye bye.